Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. Today, we will be going over my paycheck 1 of August. They sent my money. Run me my money. My money is here. August is starting and in full swing, and we're about to send this money where it needs to go so that we make sure all our bills are paid. However, y'all, I already did this video. But me and these video things, they don't want to work out. They don't want to work out. I'm about to stop doing these kind of videos because they don't like me and I'm about to not like them. So if you're really gonna miss these, I don't know, y'all. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. But let's get into our August budget. Oh, my bad. If you're new, wait a minute. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. Cost you nothing. Hit that red subscribe button. Don't even look at the background, y'all. Everything's okay here. It's okay. I'm not blinking twice. Everything is fine. So I did a lot of this already. So we just gonna recap, okay? So let's bring it back, back all the way to where the last thing we talked about was 99 cents I spent on Google and whatnot, right? And so we had $35 go out for the gym. Here it is right there. It's green. Y'all know we put away $40, but we only had to spend 35. She was nice enough to give us a break on this month. So that was nice. I made some money from Mercari. Ow, ow, ow. Y'all know that I had made a blazer sale. And it wasn't $30. It was less than that. But I had other money sitting in Mercari. I just be having money sitting in places, y'all. Don't ask me why, but I do. And so I finally transferred it all over, and that's $30.99. As you can see there, Mercari sales $30.99. And then here goes my paycheck. So the paycheck was $15.67.51. So I do want to address something that normally I budget 15.70. Was that fly? 15.72. So that's gone down by like $4.49, something like that, right? And so now it's at 15.67.51. Hands up, girl. I don't know what to do. We're still making it. Okay. And so that was our paycheck. Then this was the extra income. Now you'll see we have a lot in our rollover. So in the rollover, we have 99 cents from Build a Buffer. We have, which are already transferred, that came from last paycheck. We had $40 from Zumba that we rolled over from last paycheck. I had to move in $219.33 for the new HVAC bill. Why is there a bug in front of me? There's $50 for a transfer from the new AC. There is $16.50 for the trash bill, $22 for Pimp My Ride for the car registration. Thought it was 21, but it ended up being 22. That's why you're going to see a little weird dollar transfer in the end. But that comes out to $348.82 on rollover and transfer. Okay. So this pay cycle, we're working at $1,947.32. Okay, so the first thing we had to do was this $654.13. That was a part of the, I can make this slightly bigger. I hope that's better. Rewind. $654 and and 13 cents is the split payment of my mortgage. I usually split that in half, so that is that. And then we have 99 cents. Things that I knew that I paid that just haven't cleared the bank yet are in this weird rusty pinkish orangey. I don't even know what color you're seeing. It's in this color, okay? So I paid the Apple bill this morning. What's weird is Apple sends a statement on the 1st. It's due on the 6th, but it doesn't allow me to pay until the 7th. It's actually 7th today. So yep, 99 cents. I went and paid it. Cell phone bill is automatic, so we're gonna wait on that. Water bill is $46.21. It actually came in a little less than we thought. We had originally budgeted $50 for water bills. So that was perfect because the check came in a little less. So that kind of helped offset the difference. Look at God. Okay. And then car insurance was $173.89. I went ahead and paid that bill. I think we thought it was something different. Oh, no. I fixed it. I thought it was $173.29, but whatever. That's what it was. Electric was $171. It went up. Boo. The gym was $35. Had already moved that out of the account. As y'all can see, we moved that $35 already. Did I move from it? Yeah, we already moved that $35. And then so 7012 is the internet bill, which went down slightly this month because we're waiting for it to even out until next month. We should know what it's going to be for the next year or so. And so 7012, which is a nice savings this month, that is automatic. So we didn't take anything out. Security and security equipment will be next month. The care credit next month. Child next check. Excuse me. Let me put this on. This is being disrespectful. Let me put it on. What's that called? Vibrate. Okay, so these will be next paycheck, and then also the care credit will be next paycheck. And then we have our AC system. I did go ahead and pay the AC bill to $19.33. I went ahead and paid the $50. So this extra AC $50, let me tell you about it. Let me tell you about it real quickly. Girl. So what that is the AC guy, I told y'all about him that there was another like $600 bill. He checked and it couldn't be added into the finance bill originally with the AC bill. We had missed it by like 18 days. I didn't even know this was a thing, or I would have checked sooner because I had the bill 18 days ago. Didn't work out. So he did say that they would have to I'd have to fill out another application in order to get this finance again. And I said, that's going to require me to run my credit. And I'm like, no. So that's a no for me, dog. And so he was nice enough to, now you guys, the bill was actually no labor on it. I sat and I looked at it. There's no labor on it. It's literally just the 3 parts that were bought. So there was like no talking him down on that, to be honest, like, because he didn't charge me labor for anything. And it's only fair to pay for the parts. But he was nice enough to say that he would give me a $50 per month rate until I got it paid up. And that can take a while with $600. But I'm going to start with 50. And if I can put anything added faster to get rid of that part of the bill, then I will. But it's nice that it won't be interest on that because I'm paying him directly interest-free $50 a month. So I did go ahead and pay $50 to that already. I put it on my credit card and I moved $50 out. So we could talk about that too. You see, I moved the $219.33 into the account. I moved the $50 in. I moved $21 in to the account. Girl, this one time out. They can't see nothing. So I moved to $19.33 in, $50 in, and I moved $21 in for the card because I thought it was $21, but it's actually $21 plus another dollar for another fee for paying online, blah, blah, blah. But it's gone and it's done. So it was $22. So you'll see up here, I moved in an additional dollar right there from Pimp My Ride. All right. And then the $16.50 for the trash store, which we'll talk about when we get to that line. So car registration actually $22. I had it at $21, so it's actually $22. And then the trash sewer. So the trash sewer, I hope you can see this, but at the top here, it's actually $16.50 plus 11. They charged me $16.50, and I'm thinking the $16.50 times 2 is 33. And I think that's my quarterly bill. So I think they're going to bill that every time to the credit card, thankfully to the credit card. And then I'll just pull it out of trash. So what I did was I put $16.50 that in, I pulled it in, and then I moved 11 out, which is our savings for the next quarter. Hope that made sense. And again, this is a $654.13 that I moved out for the mortgage that we were talking about. All right, and now we're up to where we should be. So let's keep moving on down. Moving on now. Okay, I'm done. So for any of this section, the only things in debt that we're paying is the car payment, $233.50. It's super weird, y'all. In my car thing, it has me with like a credit of $400 and something. I'm wondering, y'all, if I should, the next time, if it still says that, I might call them. But the next time, if it still says that, I'm wondering, should I just make the next 2 or next payment till we catch back up to the principal? Because I'm like, it just keeps saying I don't owe anything, and baby, I'm gonna keep paying because the car is not paid off. But like, I'm just understanding, it's like you're on August 10th, you owe $0. You have a credit of $400 and something. And I'm just like, what? Okay, I'm going to pay another $233.50 is what I'm going to do. And so I did. If this ever happened to you, let me know. Should I just make the next couple of payments to principal till I catch back up? Let me know in comments if you know. All right. So I did make that payment and we're waiting for all that stuff to clear. 7067 was a student loan. I'm waiting for that to clear. I believe in September it actually goes up. I am not looking forward to that, but for now we're going to chill. As far as the variable section, eating gets 60, fun gets 30, gas gets 100, giving gets 20, groceries gets 200, and self-care gets 70. However, we don't have enough money on this particular check to put it, so we're going to put it on next paycheck that we get for the month. Sinking funds, not much going on there. A lot of the other stuff is going to be, a lot of the $5, $20 stuff is going to go next check. What I did go ahead was move, which you'll see over here, was the $44 for the HOA. You see the $40 for household. You'll see $30 for beauty. So 44, 40, and 30. Those were the only ones I moved. Then you also see $30.99. So $30.99, y'all, is for the money we got from Mercari. And so I put that to what? Our killer bill fund, because we're trying to pay off this debt, y'all. I'm over it. I'm grateful that I'm able to pay it and I have money and it seems to be coming in and God has been faithful. But I'm tired of paying a bill because it's like, okay, I done paid that bill. Now I got to start getting ready to pay this. AC got his bill. Plus, I also got to be saving to pay for the HVAC. It's like the bills don't stop. What is the reason? What is the reason? In my Cardi B voice, okay? What was the reason? What was the reason? Okay, I got a mic on, y'all. I'm so sorry. That was probably really loud. My apologies. Okay, next. Navy Federal got $1. You'll see it up here in like the pending section. $1 for that. And then $1.99. Girl, you see it. $1.99 is the buffer, y'all. $1.99. Let me say it again for the people in the back. We got $1.99 as the buffer. Okay. Woo! Jeez. But listen, it could be negative. Everything is covered. Everything is covered. In the name of Jesus, everything is covered. So we're not going to complain. Moving right along. So that's basically what happened. Let's go ahead and, why is that there? Let's go ahead and add everything together to make sure we're back down to where we are. I did a lot without you guys. So 1035.70 is where we are. So let's get our totals and hope that it equals 1035.70. Yikes. So we're going to add everything that's not in green and pray that it works out. 99 cents plus 173.89 plus 171 plus 70.12 plus 219.33 plus 50 plus 22 plus, now this 27.50, was it the whole amount? No, because we moved 11 of it out, so we're actually only adding 16.50 plus 233.50 plus 70.67. Oh, that's not a 70. 70.67. You see how they try to get me? But you didn't. Plus we need to just a little bit because baby. Those are green, plus $1 plus $1.99 in our buffer. And we got, why are we off? Oh, why are we off? Where are we on? What are we off by? Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. But that's, did that clear? Wait a minute. That wouldn't be, I'm looking at the 66.50 for Capital One. Did that actually go, or did that actually come out? Oh, let me see the difference. 10 minus 1035.70. We're only off by $4.71 now. So that doesn't make sense. Yo, so the 60.55, guys, is the $50 and the $16.50 here, which would mean I shouldn't add these two in, and that it came out if it actually came out here. But I can't tell. Did this actually come out of my credit card already? Like, did it pay? I literally just scheduled it this morning, so I see there's 66.55. I don't understand. Did it actually come out or not? Bro, it just says schedule in process. Okay, we're doing too much talking. I'm gonna do one more quick ad and then prayerfully it adds up, because otherwise I don't really know what the problem is. I really don't. All right, y'all. So we're gonna try this again, except since it does say the 6650 is paid, I'm gonna mark the 6650 as paid and try it again. So the 6650 includes the 2750. So we're gonna make that green. All right, and then we're gonna make the 50. Is that 50? Yeah, and make that green. Yeah, that's the wrong green, girl. What? Yeah, because it would have been the 50 plus the 1650. 1650 is 6650. All right, we're going to try to add everything that's not green once again, and we're going to get it this time because we don't have time. Okay, we want to go now. All right. All right. 99 cents plus 170. Ooh, I'm skipping stuff. That's why I'm looking for pink. Ah, 0.99 plus 25 plus 46.21. How many of y'all saw that? Plus 173.89 plus y'all was like, girl, you done skipped the whole line. Plus 171 plus $70.12 plus 219.33 plus 22 plus, that's probably was the issue. 233.50 plus 70.67 plus too many colors, girl. Too many colors on the board. Plus 1 plus, oh yeah, 199. There it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, shakalaka, shakalaka, shakalaka. Whoop, shakalaka, shakalaka. I'm trying to be softer because I forget. It's 1,035.70 left over. Okay. Are we going to make it with our $1.99 buffer? Absolutely. Absolutely. Because we will eventually have sinking funds. One last thing. We will eventually have variable funds going on the card. One last thing I forgot to mention, y'all, is that I thought I ordered my Ally card, but I didn't. And I ordered it on Monday because I thought I ordered it last Monday. Turns out I did not. And I got something in the mail today. And we're going to hope and pray and wish that that's it, but it might not be. It might be something from Georgia Power. Let's take a quick look, see here. Ah, it's not it. It's not it. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use my debit card or not this month like I wanted to, but that's just a quick heads up. We'll talk about that another time, girl. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know how your August is going. All you Magic Month people out there, I wish you best stewardship of your money that you got in. I hope you're all caught up so that you can use it on something you want to use it on, whether it's debt payment, vacation, saving up for Christmas, whatever you're doing, send your kids off to school. I pray the best for you. All right, guys. I love you. Mean it. Bye. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. I said what? I said stop the recording.